In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Authenticator to your Bitget account to boost your security. First, log into your Bitget account, and once you're logged in, click on the profile icon and then head to Account and Security Settings. In the Security Settings, scroll down until you find the section for Google Authenticator. You'll see a button to enable it. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll see a QR code along with a 16-digit key. Once your Google Authenticator app, open your Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. In the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon and choose Scan a QR code or enter setup key manually. If you're scanning, just point your phone at the QR code on the Bitget's website or app. Once you've added Bitget to your Google Authenticator, the app will start generating a 6-digit code for you. Copy it. Now go back to Bitget website or app, enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator, and click Confirm to complete the setup. And that's it. Your Google Authenticator is now connected to your Bitget account.